Modern drive systems rely on power electronics to regulate electric motors. But what happens inside a frequency converter? How is power converted and controlled? Why do drive faults occur? The modules of the IGBT add-on package and its corresponding course turn your TP1410 into a hands-on setup for exploring and analyzing the complete energy conversion chain. Learners explore how IGBT switching devices use PWM to control power flow and variable frequency motor operation, gaining skills to troubleshoot drives, improve efficiency, and optimize motor control systems. Using data acquisition and control tools, learners adjust switching behavior and control parameters of the PWM inverter and DC link braking chopper. Observing the impact on voltage and current waveforms, motor speed, torque, and position. The result? Deeper expertise in operating, diagnosing, and troubleshooting electric drive systems.